Certainly. Here's a brief explanation of each category of SQL keywords. 1. Data definition. Create. Creates new database objects tables. Views. Indexes. Alter. Modifies existing database objects tables. Views. Columns. Drop. Deletes database objects tables. Views. Indexes. Truncate. Removes all records from a table. Rename. Renames a database object. Comment. Adds comments to database objects. 2. Data manipulation. Select. Retrieves data from one or more tables. Insert. Inserts new records into a table. Update. Modifies existing records in a table. Delete. Deletes records from a table. Merge. Conditionally inserts or updates data in a table. Call. Executes a stored procedure or function. Explain plan. Analyzes how a query will be executed. Lock table. Controls concurrency by locking tables. 3. Transaction control. Commit. Saves changes permanently. Rollback. Reverts changes since the last commit. SAVEPOINT. Sets a point to which transactions can be rolled back. Set transaction. Sets characteristics for the transaction. 4. Data control. Grant. Provides privileges to database users. Revoke. Removes privileges from database users. 5. Query clauses. Where. Filters rows based on conditions. From. Specifies tables from which to retrieve data. Join. Combines rows from two or more tables. On. Specifies join conditions. Using. Specifies columns for join conditions. Group by. Groups rows that have the same values. Having. Filters groups based on conditions. Order by. Sorts the result set. Limit. Limits the number of rows returned. Offset. Skips a specified number of rows. Union. Combines the results of two or more select statements. Intersect. Returns the intersection of the results of two select statements. Except. Returns the difference between the results of two select statements. 6. Conditional. Case. Defines conditional logic. When. Specifies conditions in a case statement. Then. Specifies the result if the condition is true. Else. Specifies the result if no conditions are true. End. Ends the case statement. 7. Join types. Inner join. Returns rows when there is a match in both tables. Left join. Returns all rows from the left table and matched rows from the right table. Right join. Returns all rows from the right table and matched rows from the left table. Full join. Returns rows when there is a match in one of the tables. Cross join. Returns the Cartesian product of the tables. Natural join. Performs a join using all columns with the same name. 8. Set operations. Union. Combines the result sets of two or more select statements. Union all. Combines the result sets of two or more select statements including duplicates. Intersect. Returns the intersection of two select statements. Except. Returns the difference between the results of two select statements. 9. Functions. Aggregate. Functions that operate on a set of values and return a single value, e.g. avg, count, max, string. Functions that manipulate string values, e.g. concat, substring, datetime. Functions that manipulate date and time values, e.g. now, extract, numeric. Functions that operate on numeric values, e.g. abs, round. 10. Constraints. Primary key. Ensures uniqueness of each row in a table. Foreign key. Establishes a link between data in two tables. Unique. Ensures all values in a column are unique. Not null. Ensures a column cannot have null values. Check. Enforces a condition on a column. Default. Specifies a default value for a column. 11. Data types. Numeric. Data types that store numeric values, e.g. int, decimal, string. Data types that store character strings, e.g. varchar. Text. Date-time. Data types that store date and time values, e.g. date, timestamp. Boolean. Data type that stores true-false values, e.g. Boolean. 12. Other. AS. Renames a column or table with an alias. Distinct. Returns unique values. Exists. Tests for the existence of any rows in a subquery. In. Specifies multiple values for a where clause. Like. Searches for a specified pattern in a column. Is null. Tests for null values. Is not null. Tests for non-null values. Between. Specifies a range of values. ANYALL. Compares a value to a set of values or results from a subquery. Subquery. A select statement nested within another SQL statement. These keywords provide the foundation for querying and manipulating data in relational databases. Using SQL.